Hi, I'm Lavinia and welcome to Medicate's Glowing Facial Treatments. As you know, one of the most important stages of any treatment is the cleansing phase. To start the glowing facial, we perform a total of 3 cleanses. More than just a makeup remover, this is a real treatment for the eyes and lashes. Shake the bottle well to combine the triple phase system for a supercharged makeup removal. Apply to the centre of dampened cotton pads and hold over the eyes for a few moments to allow the makeup to melt. Repeat on the lip area. Gently sweep away in outward motions to remove all traces of makeup. Surface Radiance Cleanse is a refreshing gel cleanser that contains alpha hydroxy and beta hydroxy acids to gently renew the skin, leaving the complexion soft, hydrated and glowing. Firstly, dampen your hands and take a small amount of Surface Radiance Cleanse. Massage gently over the face and neck in circular movements, avoiding the delicate eye area. To transform into a foam, dampen your hands and continue with the massaging techniques. Remove using warm, damp mitts and repeat the cleansing stage for a second cleanse. To enhance the use of Surface Radiance Cleanse experience, you can combine it with bamboo micropolish for the second cleanse. To add, take a pea-sized amount of bamboo micropolish and combine it with Surface Radiance Cleanse in dampened hands. This provides the opportunity to offer natural mechanical exfoliation. Finely ground bamboo particle beads gently buff and polish the skin, manually improving the skin's texture, clarity and radiance. When this is combined with the hydroxy acid action of alpha and beta hydroxy acids in Surface Radiance Cleanse, it enhances the exfoliation process to complete the descremation experience. Remove using warm, damp mitts. Although all Medicate cleansers are pH balanced, we recommend to tone to help to perfectly prepare the skin for the next stage of the treatment. Apply Daily Refresh Balancing Toner to the centre of 2 dampened cotton pads. Start with a welcome touch at the temples, then sweep firmly over the face, neck and décolletage, always working upwards over the neck. Infuse with calming aloe vera. The instantly refreshing formula works to comfort all skin types. Blot the skin dry with a tissue. This will help to avoid dehydration through product evaporation. We recommend that you prepare 8 cotton pads with Daily Refresh Balancing Toner at the start of the treatment. This avoids any excess noise disturbing the client throughout the treatment. It also ensures that the protocol flows beautifully. Superfacial is our professional enzymatic peel exfoliator that gently dissolves dead skin cells. This is perfect for clients booking in for the glowing facial, as it will really help to promote a luminous glow. Take the superfacial into your hands and apply a thin layer over the face and neck, avoiding the eye and lip area. Massage with small circular movements until it becomes tacky to touch. Superfacial is based on papaya, selected for its gentle exfoliation effects on the skin. Pomegranate and blueberries also provide essential antioxidant protection for the skin. At this stage in the treatment, you have the option to incorporate steam to enhance the client's experience or to treat a more demanding skin type. To do this, simply steam over the layer of superfacial for 5 to 10 minutes. Cover the client's eyes with damp cotton pads saturated in eye and lip micellar cleanse and leave on the skin for up to 10 minutes. Remove using warm, damp mitts and follow with an application of Daily Refresh Balancing Toner. Complete the process by blotting the skin dry. Superfacial is a wonderful enhancement enzymatic peel to prepare the skin prior to IPL, laser and electrotherapy treatments. At this stage in the treatment, there is an option to include iontophoresis alongside white balance serum. Please follow the individual manufacturer's guidelines and timings as well as additional product recommendations. Age-defying facial oil is a nourishing facial massage medium. It's power-packed with brightening vitamin C and omega fatty acids to leave the skin glowing with radiance. To perform the facial massage, you will need to take 3 to 4 pipettes of age-defying facial oil and warm gently in your hands. Apply 2 to 3 pipettes to neck, décolletage and top of the arms. Take a further 1 pipette and apply to the face in an effleurage gesture. If your client has a larger surface area or a particularly dry skin, you may need to increase the amount of oil. As a beauty professional, determine the amount you need to apply by judging your client's individual skin needs. The cocktail of essential oils of neroli, frankincense, and lavender help to boost the skin's inner radiance and restore hydration levels. After completing the Medicate massage gestures, wipe over the face with Daily Refresh Balancing Toner. Blot the skin dry. Medicate's Radiance Mask is a results-driven, brightening and illuminating mask. It is enriched with 10% ascorbic acid and supported by liquid crystal technology to enhance the penetration. The Radiance Mask comes in a box with 20 sachets of cream mask and 1 pot of pure ascorbic acid. In a bowl, combine 40 ml of Daily Refresh Balancing Toner with the sachet of Cream Radiance Mask and 1 scoop of pure ascorbic acid. Thoroughly mix the ingredients together. This may take a few moments to combine. Prepare for the mask by sweeping a time-release glycolic pad over the skin. These high-performance pads contain 10% glycolic acid at a low pH to enhance the penetration of pure ascorbic acid into the skin. Next, use your spatula, apply a thick layer of Radiance Mask to the face, neck and décolletage, and allow the mask to work its magic for up to 10 minutes. Thanks to the hydrating glycerin, the client will experience a beautifully cooling sensation and an indulgent, fresh, natural grapefruit aroma. With a slight tingle on application, your client can be assured that this mask is incredibly powerful. Whilst your client is enjoying all the benefits of the Radiance Mask, you can perform the Medicate Indulgent Scalp Massage. After 10 minutes, remove the mask using a spatula, followed with warm, damp mitts. Tone with Daily Refresh Balancing Toner. To conclude the glowing facial, apply the enhancement products. Apply C-Tetra Eye, an illuminating eye balm, to the eye area. Then apply White Balance Brightening Serum and Daily Radiance Vitamin C to the face, neck and décolletage. Apply mutiny to the lips. C-Tetra Eye is an anti-aging, brightening eye serum. As the leaders in vitamin C, we wanted to capture the power of a super stable, lipid-soluble form of vitamin C and a gentle form for around the eye area. Apply to the orbital bone with your ring finger, taking care not to apply too much pressure and always working in outward movements. As an oil-based serum, it quickly absorbs thanks to its beautiful lightweight texture. White Balance Serum is a radiance-enhancing facial serum containing a blend of carefully selected actives to help to improve uneven skin tone. To apply, dispense a generous amount from the pipette into your hands. Warm for a moment and smooth over the face in an effleurage movement. Lactic acid and glucosamine target melanin-producing enzymes to promote and maintain a bright complexion. Illuminating Eye Balm is a brightening eye cream to illuminate and refresh tired-looking eyes, helping to minimise the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. Use your ring finger to apply in outward movement around the eyes, taking care not to apply too much pressure. Natural mineral pigments instantly brighten the under eye area. Daily Radiance Vitamin C is a powerful moisturiser and sunscreen that blends ultimate vitamin C antioxidant protection with high-strength, broad-spectrum sunscreen. 2 of our CSA strategies in one. To apply, take a generous amount of Daily Radiance Vitamin C into your hands and smooth over the face. Although this is packed with nourishing properties, it is encapsulated in a lightweight texture that perfectly absorbs into the skin. To apply, dispense a small amount into your fingertips and gently smooth over the client's mouth to complete the enhancement stage. The intelligent formula feels like a balm on application, but quickly melts into an oil consistency, leaving the lips feeling nourished and cared for. In the glowing facial, we recommend that your client takes a mono dose of retinol 3TR Intense, which is based on nourishing squalane, a beautiful, almost skin-identical oil which gives protection and, most importantly, moisturisation to the skin. Thank you for joining me today for the Medicate's Glowing Facial Treatment.